Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, Mr. Apri is here. I hope all of you are fine today and ready to learn this again. Welcome back with me. Selamat datang kembali dengan saya, Mr. Apri, dalam pembelajaran Bahasa Inggris Online. Di video pembelajaran hari ini, kami akan melanjutkan pembelajaran selanjutnya, yaitu masih seputar reading New Concept L.G. Alexander, Chapter 15, Bab 15, Good News, berita bagus. To the point directly, langsung pada intinya, listen and repeat. Good news. The secretary told me that Mr. Harmsworth would see me. I felt very nervous when I went into his office. He did not look up from his desk when I entered. After I had sat down, he said that business was very bad. He told me that the firm could not afford to pay such large salaries. 20 people had already left. I knew that my turn had come. Mr. Harmsworth, I said in a weak voice. Don't interrupt, he said. Then he smiled and told me I would receive an extra £100 a year. Good news. Berita bagus. The secretary told me that Mr. Harmsworth would see me. Sekretaris memberitahuku bahwa Tuan Harmsworth akan menemuiku. I felt very nervous when I went into his office. Saya merasa sangat gugup ketika saya masuk ke dalam kantornya. He did not look up from his desk when I entered. Dia tidak melihat ke atas atau tidak menengadah dari mejanya ketika saya masuk. After I had sat down, setelah saya telah duduk, he said that business was very bad. Dia berkata bahwa bisnis sangat buruk. He told me that the firm could not afford to pay such large salaries. Dia memberitahuku bahwa perusahaan tidak dapat mampu untuk membayar gaji-gaji yang sangat besar. 20 people had already left. 20 orang telah pergi. I knew that my turn had come. Saya tahu bahwa giliranku telah datang. Mr. Harmsworth, Tuan Harmsworth, I said in a weak voice, saya berkata dalam suara yang lemah. Don't interrupt, he said. Jangan menyela, dia berkata. Then he smiled and told me I would receive an extra £100 a year. Kemudian dia tersenyum dan memberitahuku saya akan menerima sebuah tambahan £100 setahun. Silakan kalian baca ulang. Reading New Concept L.G. Alexander Chapter 15, Good News, kalimat demi kalimat, dan cobalah untuk menerjemahkannya. Oke, saya lanjutkan ke vocabulary. Listen and repeat. New, baru. New, tahu. News, berita. Feel, merasakan. Feel, mengisi. Nervous, gugup. Brave, berani. Look up, menengadah. Look at, memperhatikan. Look for, mencari. Look after, merawat. Desk, meja. Enter, masuk. Tell, menceritakan. Pay, membayar. Silakan kalian baca kosakata tersebut beserta maknanya. Baiklah, saya lanjutkan ke grammar review. Di grammar review di video pembelajaran hari ini saya akan membahas tentang past perfect tense. Past perfect tense yaitu tenses yang digunakan untuk menyatakan aktivitas yang telah atau sudah dilakukan di masa lampau. Polanya yaitu subject, head, verb 3, object. Negatif subject, head, not verb 3, object. Interrogatif head, subject, verb 3, object. Example, you had found a bag. Kamu telah menemukan sebuah tas. You had not found a bag. Kamu tidak telah menemukan sebuah tas. Had you found a bag? Apakah kamu telah menemukan sebuah tas? She had locked the door. Dia telah mengunci pintu. She had not locked the door. Dia tidak telah mengunci pintu. Had she locked the door? Apakah dia telah mengunci pintu? Kata had diikuti found dan had diikuti locked. Had-nya bermakna sudah atau telah. Tetapi kejadian itu terjadi di masa lampau. Oke? Do you understand? I hope all of you understand. Oke? Jika kalian masih merasa bingung, silakan kalian putar kembali video pembelajaran ini beberapa kali sampai kalian benar-benar memahami chapter 15 dengan baik. Meskipun video pembelajaran ini sangat sederhana, tetapi saya berharap video ini bisa memberikan manfaat buat kalian semuanya. Practice make perfect. Praktek membuat sempurna. Semakin banyak praktek, semakin bagus bahasa Inggris kalian. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.